Welcome students to our today's lesson. Today we are going to study about the different types of polygons that we have. And we have different types of polygons. We have the pentagon, we have the hexagon, we have the octagon, we have the nonagon, then we have the decagon. Now we can start with a pentagon. A pentagon is a five-sided figure. A pentagon is a five-sided figure. So for example, let me show you how it looks like. So we have a pentagon. We are saying it is a five-sided. It is a five-sided figure. So a five-sided figure looks like this. One, two, three, four. So you can see that this is a pentagon because it has got five sides. We have number 1, side number 2, side number 3, side number 4, side number 5. So any figure that has got 5 sides, we call that one a pentagon. We have got, the other one is a hexagon. A hexagon. A hexagon is a six-sided figure. So it is a six-sided figure. It is a five-sided figure. So it has got 6 sides. So for instance, it looks like this. So you can see it has got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So any figure that has got 6 sides, we call that one a hexagon. So a hexagon is any figure that has got 6 sides. So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is a hexagon. Initially, we said that a pentagon, it is any figure that has got 5 sides. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We call that one a pentagon. Let's go to the other one. The other one is a heptagon. Let's go to the third one. The third one is a heptagon. A heptagon is any figure that has got 7 sides. So it is a figure with 7 sides. 7 sides as in, let me show you. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So any figure that has got 7 sides, we call it a heptagon. So it is like this. So we have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So for instance, it has got 7 sides. We have this side. We have got this other side. We have this side. We have this side. Again, we have this side, and that side. So it has got 7 sides. We call that one a heptagon. Let's go to the other one. The other one is the octagon. An octagon is any figure which has got 8 sides. So it has a figure So it is a figure with 8 sides. So this is how it looks like. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One, two, three, four, five, six. So this one has got 8 sides. So we have this side, number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this figure has got 8 sides. We call that one an octagon. The other one is a nonagon. A nonagon let's go to a nonagon. Nonagon. A nonagon is a figure that has got a figure with 9 sides. So it is any figure that has got 9 sides. We call that one a nonagon. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So for instance, you can see it has got 9 sides. We call that one a nona. It is called a nonagon. Let's go to the last one. The other one is, the 6th one is a decagon. A decagon is a figure that has got 10 sides. A figure with 10. It is a figure with 10 sides. So let's start. Looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it has got 10 sides. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So any given figure that has got 10 sides, we call that one a decagon. And the list will continue. We have the other one with the 11th, and but for now we are going to reach at a decagon. And for instance, in summary, about what we have said we have got different types of polygons. Number one, we have a pentagon. We have said a pentagon has got 5 sides. Again, we have said a hexagon has got 6 sides. We have the heptagon. This is a figure with 7 sides. We have the fourth one, which is the octagon. It is a figure with 8 sides. Then the other one is a nonagon. It is a figure with 9 sides. Then we have the decagon, whereby it is a figure with 10 sides. You need to take note of that. So now we are going to begin with the construction of these different types of polygons. We are going to look at their constructions, the construction of the different types of polygons, and we are going to start with the hexagon. How you get to construct an hexagon, the hexagon. Let's go to the construction of polygons. How do you get to construct these polygons, the different types of polygons that we have? I'm going to show you the procedure on how you get to construct them. So let's begin with the first one. We can even decide to begin with let's begin the hexagon, whereby we have said it is a 6-sided figure. The hexagon is a 6-sided figure. Let's now begin. So first of all, I'm going to assume, let's say I've been told to construct a hexagon of radius 30 millimeters. Let's say, for example, I have been told to construct a hexagon of radius 30 millimeters. We have got different types or different ways of constructing this particular hexagon. We are going to start with construction of a hexagon by a circle. Construction of a hexagon by a circle. We are going now to use a circle to construct a hexagon. So for instance, let me assume a radius of 30 millimeters. Let's say, for example, have transferred 30 millimeters with this canvas of mine. And I said your ruler is calibrated in centimeters. So whichever measurements that you are going to measure from this ruler, you need to multiply them with 10 for you to convert them into millimeters. So for instance, let's say this is my 30 millimeters. 30 millimeters. Let's say this is my 30 millimeters. So I will stand here. So I've stood here, I've drawn my circle. This is a circle of radius of 30 millimeters. If for instance you've been given a diameter of something like 60 millimeters, what you need to do, you will divide the diameter of 60 millimeters for you to get your 30 millimeters. So you should use the radius. So this is my circle of a radius of 30 millimeters. Again, what do you need to do? So what you need to do is, you will take up your ruler like this. I know that from your table, this ruler should be able to slide up and down. So you will come up here. Already you know the center, which is here. The center of the circle is here. So with this ruler, so your table is like this. Having in mind that already you have set your paper, so you will stand here like this. So let's say for example this is your table, so your ruler is able to slide like this. So you will move at the center of the circle. Then you will draw a line, and the line should not be bold. It should not be seen that much. Should not be bold. So again, now this is your line. Now again, without changing the dimensions of your canvas, which is the 30 millimeters. So this is the 30 millimeters still, without changing the measurements. So 30 millimeters again. You should stand here. Put a mark. Stand here. Put a mark. Stand here. Put a mark. Stand here, put a mark. So you can see I have got how many marks? I have 1, 2, 3, 4. Can as well move round. Also stand here. Put another mark. Stand here. Put another mark. Now what is remaining? Now I should take up my ruler like this, then join those points. So I will join here. I will join this mark up to this other mark. I will again join this one to this one. Then again this to that. Again I will join here. That one to that other point. I will also join this like this. Also like that. So you can see now this is a 6-sided figure. So this is my A, B, C, D, E, F. So this figure has got 6 sides. So now this is a 6-sided figure, and you need to note this. This line, now the circle, this line which is making up the circle should not be in bold. This line which is making up the circle should not be in bold. Also, this other line should not be in bold. In short, it should be very faint. The only lines that you are interested in are lines A, F, F, E, D, E, C, B, and A, B. These are the only lines that you are interested in. This one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. Those are the only lines that should be in bold. So that is how we get to draw an hexagon, by drawing up a circle and subdividing that circle into equal parts using the same radius that you drew the circle with. So thank you so much. This is our center. Oh, thank you so much. Welcome to our next class. In our next class, we are going to draw the same hexagon using some other methods. So for instance, now you should take note of this. I've just drawn a circle, then I've subdivided that particular circle into equal parts using the same measurements that I used to draw my circle, which is the radius. So thank you so much. Welcome in our next lesson.